everyone, welcome back to another how-to guide here on my channel, and today we are going to be making these plastic poppies. So if you'd like to know how to make plastic poppies for your display, then keep on watching. So for this video, I am going to show you in like photograph style. Last week with the pom-pom video, I kind of felt a little bit like you weren't seeing exactly what I wanted you to see. So I'm going to insert photos of what I've done, and I'm going to comment it over the top as to what I did, and then you'll be able to follow along. Let me know if you prefer the video version or the photograph version, and I will do that next time for you. While I'm mentioning next time, our next how-to video will be how to create a fan border. Ooh. So, if you're interested in how to create a fan border, then hit that notification bell because that's coming next Wednesday.
So the first thing you need is a chopping board, your bottle and a knife. And what you want to do is you want to slice off the bottom of the bottle using your knife. The next thing you want to do is you want to sculpt the edges into a bumpy fashion with your scissors. Get some acrylic paint, a paintbrush and a paint palette in order to paint the bottles. You might want to use gloves to protect your hands. First thing is to paint all of the bottles red. You can paint just the inside. Then when they're dry, you can put the black dot in the middle and it's complete.
So that's it. That's how to create a plastic poppy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit the bell icon if you're interested in finding out how to create those fan borders you've seen all over Instagram and Pinterest. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.